Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Harrier. It comes equipped with the 3.0 V6 engine, same as the LEXUS RX 300, the one that's here in the United States. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and comes with 52,549 original miles. It is four-wheel drive. It's also four-door with a rear hatch. I did want to let you know that once you put this vehicle in drive and it does go forward, all the doors will lock. So when you do put it in park, you'll have to click the unlock button because all the doors except for the driver's side will still remain closed. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number you're seeing on the bottom, 84,571, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 52,549. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side door. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.